Wine cabinets are divided into size and installation methods, including independent and embedded. The freestanding wine cabinet can be placed in any space independently, and the built-in wine cabinet can be placed in the recessed space. Different designs provide you with a variety of possibilities to meet different installation configurations so that the wine cabinet can be perfectly integrated with the indoor environment. The LB36BD wine cabinet provides a unique storage service for experts in storing red wine, which can be placed independently or embedded. It adopts modern style, and the LB36BD wine cabinet with black cabinet and stainless steel frame has a fashionable and elegant appearance and becomes a landscape in your kitchen or bar. The high-level simplicity makes your modern kitchen more technologically beautiful and attractive. The LB36BD adopts the front vent design, which plays the role of heat dissipation and ventilation, so it can be placed as a built-in. When it is embedded in the kitchen, it presents a simple kitchen decoration vision for wine storage experts, making your kitchen more stylish. When it is embedded in the bar, food and wine can be shared at any time. It is the perfect match. This placement method can be flush with the cabinet and has a small installation gap. It can not only be integrated into home furnishings, but also effectively save space, utilize space, and have a stronger decorative effect. When it is placed independently, it can be installed alone in a study or private space. It is small and does not take up space and has a simple design. It is not obtrusive and aesthetically placed anywhere, making your wine cabinet a study or a noble and elegant finishing touch in a private space. You can freely choose the installation location and install it as you like. Whether you want flush or freestanding installation, the LB36BD can meet your needs. Its design is simple and stylish. No matter where you want to place it in your home, the open kitchen, bar, or private space will not be obtrusive. Choose it as your wise choice.